Welcome back. You're tuned into India Today, cutting straight across live to Shashikala Natarajan Chinnamma, who's speaking live.
She came to Chennai. That was on 9th February. She did not come outside, but currently she's meeting her followers, thanking them for coming over here. She got paid floral tributes to the picture of Jayalalitha at this point, and she's thanking her the followers at this point. Interesting factor. Her statement might be brief, but she did not speak anything politically, and she's leaving back again. Now, earlier also it was questioned whether there is a possibility for such her speed that if there is any patch-up work that is happening between AIDMK and AMMK, that has not yet been answered. But here you could see that she came out again from her inside the residence, spoke to her cadres and asked them to work towards winning the elections. But which party? Is it AMMK or AIDMK? Those things she are not representing. That's the interesting factor at this point. Is a work occurring about patch-up work between AMMK and AIDMK? That's supposed to be answered. And the only still Shashikala and TTP are calling DMK as their enemy, but no such names has been given for AIDMK, EPS or OPS. With camera person Vijay Shekhar, Pramod Madhav for India Today.
அம்மாவின் 73வது பிறந்த நாள் அன்று உங்களோடு சேர்ந்து கொண்டாடினேன். அதற்கு விலை மதிப்பு கிடையாது. தொண்டர்களை எனக்கு அம்மா விட்டு சென்றார். ஒவ்வொருடைய முகத்திலும் அதனால் வரும் சட்டமன்ற தேர்தலில் அம்மா சட்டசபையில் என்ன சொன்னார்கள் என்பது உங்களுக்கு எல்லாம் தெரியும்.
On this day, on Amma's birth anniversary, close together.
அதனால் வரும் சட்டமன்ற தேர்தலில்
In the next election that's coming up in Tamil Nadu, we should all come together and work.
Sorry, ma, sorry.
அம்மாவின் ஆன்மா எப்பொழுதும்
Okay.
அம்மனிடம் தான் இருக்கும்.
On the 73rd birth anniversary of Jayalalitha.
அம்மாவின் 73வது பிறந்த நாள்.
All right, that is Shashikala Natarajan right there, speaking live. She says she's got the trust in the Tamil Nadu public right ahead of the state assembly elections in Tamil Nadu. The legacy war escalating right there. Questions still remain on who is going to be succeeding Jayalalitha or Amma. She's at the moment, that is Shashikala Natarajan, also known as Chinnamma, mum on her future plans for the moment. But all eyes do remain on what Shashikala decides and what she plans to do politically going forward. We'll continue getting you this entire drama coming in from Tamil Nadu right ahead of the elections.